Alright guys, here's Convoy 2.
He has no friends to help him now. It's very feel my home. I never expect to see you again. Oh, I'm bound to ride that northern railroad. Perhaps I'll die upon its track. Perhaps you'll die.
Convoy 2 with 4 trucks.
And bury me in some valley. For many years will I be glad.
I love seeing truck driving, man, it's nice. That car's got a good sound to it. I like that.
While I am sleeping in my grave.
This car is in between.
While he is sleeping.
This car's cutting in the parade with a bike.
Maybe your friends think I'm just a stranger. My face you never will see no more. But there is one promise that is given. I'll meet you home, God's golden shore. It'll be too long, God's golden shore.
Beautiful. Things I love.
Sing it, Gabby.
Things I love. We still got one more up there. Because I said there was 4 trucks. So there's still one more up there. That lead truck is way up there for this convoy. Alright, I'll see you guys when we catch that leader. Alright guys, we caught the leader.